U.S. Drought Monitor Climate Clip, April 11, 2024. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 14.66% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 15.12% a week earlier. About 20.3 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 20.9 million last week. Following the El Nino winter and an active early spring weather pattern, drought coverage is at its lowest since spring 2020. A strengthening cold front brought storms from the Mississippi Valley to the East Coast at the beginning of April. This storm brought heavy snow of 6 to 18 inches, with some locations receiving over 2 feet to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, Wisconsin, and northern New England. A mix of rain and snow during the past few weeks continued to improve drought conditions across the upper Midwest. From April 5 to 7, a strong storm system moved east from the Rockies to the Great Plains. Heavy snowfall of 6 to 12 inches occurred across parts of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Total precipitation resulted in drought improvement from the north-central Rockies to western South Dakota. Drought continued to develop or intensify across parts of the southern Great Plains, the lower Ohio Valley, and Hawaii. The effects of heavy rainfall that fell across the South starting April 9th will be considered for next week's U.S. Drought Monitor. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more at drought.unl.edu. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more.